the following statement having two blank, okay, A and B. A drug used for dash, okay, that is from direct NCERT line. This is the line, okay, this line, from this line, okay, a cyclosporin A used as immunosuppressive agent, okay, in organ transplantation, in organ transplantation, in organ transplantation, in organ transplantation agent, okay, in organ transplantation, in organ transplantation, this organ transplantation, this is the blank, okay. In organ transplantation, patient is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum. This is the answer, this is the required answer. The most resistant organic material known which makes up the outermost layer of pollen wall is sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is the most resistant organic material on earth, okay. It is the most resistant organic material on earth, and it is also resistant from action of various enzymes, okay. Let's talk about NCERT, okay. See, sporopollenin is the sporopollenin is the hardest organic substance, okay. It is the resistant to, or it is the hardest hard outer layer called as exine, which is made of sporopollenin, and which is the most resistant organic material known. No enzyme so far isolated or known that can degrade the sporopollenin, okay. M phase in human, last M phase in human. See, the cell cycle is divided into two parts. So cell cycle is divided into two parts. First is the M phase, the cell cycle. Cell cycle is divided into two basic phases. The first is the first is the interphase, and the second is the M phase and interphase. These are the two phases of the cell cycle. The first phase is interphase, which lasts for about 95%, okay. According to NCERT, the interphase lasts more than 95% of the duration of the cell cycle, so the M phase lasts less than 5% of the total cell cycle. The disease caused due to cigarette smoking and blockage of blood supply to heart muscle respectively is the first disease is due to cigarette smoking. So according to NCERT, the disease that is caused by cigarette smoking is emphysema, okay. The main cause of emphysema is cigarette smoking, and the main thing or the main point about emphysema is that there is damage of alveolar wall, and the surface area of alveoli decreases. The surface area of alveoli decreases due to cigarette smoking, which cause emphysema, okay. So first disease is emphysema. So this is our answer according to the question, because there is only emphysema in only fourth option. Let's talk about atherosclerosis. What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is a type of coronary artery disease. Coronary artery. What is coronary artery? Any artery, the artery that supply blood to heart muscles. Heart is made of muscles, so that required blood, and the arteries that give supplies the blood to the coronary, okay, the heart muscle is known as coronary artery. So coronary artery disease, also known as CAD, that is coronary artery disease, also known as coronary artery disease, also known as atherosclerosis. See, we have two types. One is atherosclerosis and another is arteriosclerosis. A difference is that just a difference of spelling, okay. Atherosclerosis, ATHERO, atherosclerosis, and artero, ARTERO, arteriosclerosis. In atherosclerosis, NCERT is mentioning only about atherosclerosis, but there is another thing called arteriosclerosis, in which there is a hardening. Here arteriosclerosis means narrowing. Arteriosclerosis means narrowing. Here arteriosclerosis means narrowing, but in okay, there is narrowing of lumen in atherosclerosis, but in arteriosclerosis, in artero it is athero, and another thing is artero. In arteriosclerosis there is deposition of calcium, fat, and cholesterol, where hardening of tissue occur. So second is this is atherosclerosis. Next. Which of the following organism is radially symmetrical? Which of the following organism is radially symmetrical? Okay, Phyla, it belong to phylum Echinodermata. No, it belong to phylum Mollusca. Okay, okay, phylum Mollusca. And the next is Echinus. Echinus means sea urchin. Echinus is nothing but sea urchin. Echinus means nothing but sea urchin. So it belongs to phylum Aschelminthes. No, it belongs to phylum Echinodermata. It belongs to phylum Echinodermata, which are radially symmetrical. Okay, the larvae are bilaterally symmetrical, but the adult are radially symmetrical. So we can say that the larvae are more developed than the adult. So Echinodermata, the larvae are bilaterally symmetrical. Okay, so it belongs to Echinodermata, so it is radially symmetrical. Cucumeria, it also belongs to Echinodermata, so it is also going to be radially symmetrical. See, Cucumeria, that is also known as sea cucumber. Cucumeria. Key means ce means key, means key means Cucumeria belong to Echinodermata. There confusion arises between Cucumeria and Dentellum. For me, Cucumeria belong to Echinodermata. Cucumeria belong to Echinodermata, and Dentellum belong to, because the shape of both are the same. Like Cucumeria is like this, and Dentellum is also like this. So okay, or a simple confusion arises. So Dentellum belong to Mollusca, and Dentellum belong to Mollusca, and Cucumeria belong to Echinodermata. Okay, next. Heterocyst present in Anabaena is specialized for heterocyst, that is specialized for nitrogen fixation, fixed nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, fixed atmospheric nitrogen in heterocyst. Okay, specialized cell called as heterocyst, which is found in nostoc and Anabaena. Okay, the NCERT diagram is of nostoc. The labeling below this is very important. The filamentous blue-green algae. It is a filamentous blue-green algae which is nostoc, and the labeling in this diagram is very important. This is mucilaginous sheath, and this is heterocyst where nitrogenase is present, which is highly sensitive to oxygen. Okay, and their nitrogen fixation occur. Okay, nitrogen fixation. Match the column 1 with column 2. Fat storage is the function of elioplast. Okay, elioplast store fat and oil. According to NCERT, elioplast store fat and oil. According to NCERT, elioplast store fat and oil. Elioplast store fat and oil. And amyloplast store starch. Amyloplasts, okay, they are the type of leucoplast which store starch, okay, or carbohydrate. In example is in potato. In potato means in aloo. In aloo, tomato, no, potato Solanum tuberosum. Okay, the amyloplast cells, okay, the organelle which is amyloplast, okay, stores starch. So A is matched with 2. A is matched with 2. So it is eliminated. Okay. Cilia made up of microtubule or tubulin proteins. Okay. The base of the cilia. Okay. Okay. The prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Okay. The cilium and flagellum emerge from a centriole-like structure that is known as basal body of blepharoplast, which is made up of centriole, which has 9 plus. Okay, which has 9 plus. Okay, 0 arrangement, 9 triplet and 0 singlet. Okay. But the main body of cilia and flagella, so 9 plus 2 arrangement, 9 doublet and okay, 2 singlet in the center. Okay, they are made up of microtubules. These are made of microtubule, and microtubule is made of tubulin protein. So B is matched with first. So okay, we have to both option with B1. And mitochondria have particles that are known as oxysome, which are responsible for oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative phosphorylation. They are the mitochondria are the site for aerobic respiration, which have infoldings in the inner membrane, form infoldings that are known as cristae. These are known as cristae, which are responsible for synthesis of ATP. Or this cristae are also known as oxysome, Fernandez and Moran particle, F1 F0 particle. These are the names, the different name of the same particle, that is known as cristae. Okay, so C is matched with 4. This is our required answer. The gametophyte is not an independent free living generation in. Gametophyte is not an independent free living generation in. Okay, means gametophyte is dependent in something. Gametophyte is dependent over sporophyte. It is seen in gymnosperm. The male and female gametophyte are not independent, means they are dependent. Not independent means they are dependent. Not independent means they are dependent on what? They are dependent on the sporophyte. Okay. How many base pair are found in the haploid genome of human? Okay, according to NCERT, haploid genome of human contains 3.3. But from this, okay, from this we can easily conclude we have 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair. 3 into 10 to the power 9 base pair is the haploid genome. Haploid. What is genome? Yeah, genome is nothing but the haploid set of chromosome. The haploid set of chromosome, or total chromosome present in a gamete, is known as genome. Okay, and this paragraph is very important because we have to remember the data from this. We have to know this data of 5x174. 5x174 is a bacteriophage which have 5386 nucleotide, okay, which have 5386 nucleotide, which is very important. 53 and then 86, exact data is very important. Okay, and another thing, okay, is that about bacteriophage, lambda bacteriophage have base pair which is equal to 48 in 502 base pair. No, 48502 base pair. Yes, it is correct. In lambda bacteriophage we have the nucleotide, and in 5x174 we have the number of nucleotide, that is 5386. But in lambda bacteriophage we have the number of base pair, which is we have the number of base pair, that is 48502 base pair is present in lambda bacteriophage, and 5386 base pair, no, it is 5386 nucleotide. 5386 nucleotide. 5386 we can remember it like this. We can remember it like this. 5386 base pair, no, 5386 nucleotide is present in 5386. Very important. 5386 nucleotide and not base pair. Examiner want to confuse you, but we don't have to confuse. Okay, so 5386 base pair is present in 5386 base pair is present in 5x174, which is a bacteriophage which have single stranded DNA as a genetic material, which is also important. Okay, and in Escherichia coli we have a diploid set of chromosome. We have diploid set of chromosome which is equal to 4.6 into 10 to the power 6. We have 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pair. Here 10 to the power 6, and in human we have 10 to the power 9. Okay. The oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin is similar to growth curve under restricted environmental condition. Yes, in restricted environmental condition means we have to mention about the sigmoid curve, or the when response are limiting the growth. Okay, means when resources are limiting, then we see logistic growth. We see a logistic curve, which is this. Okay, this is a sigmoid curve, which is logistic curve, and it is seen when resources are limited, and it is also seen in this oxygen dissociation curve, which is also sigmoid. So both are similar. We get a similar curve under limited resources condition and oxygen dissociation curve. So A and B is correct. The following symptom correspond to which of the following disorder? Deep mutism, abnormal skin, mental retardation of children. So it is the characters of creatinism. In creatinism we see symptoms like mental retardation, low IQ, that is low intelligence quotient, abnormal skin, deep mutism. Okay, these are the symptoms of creatinism, which is due to hypothyroidism, that is less secretion of thyroxine. Select the incorrect statement. The nucleus of the functional megaspore divide mitotically to form two nuclei which move to opposite pole, forming two nucleate embryo sac. Yeah, these are the direct NCERT lines. These are from direct NCERT lines. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, the nucleus of the functional megaspore divide mitotically to form two nuclei which move to opposite pole, forming the two nucleate embryo sac. So we have main thing is that from these lines, this paragraph is converted into line and given as question. See, okay, so the main thing about this paragraph is that we have three mitosis to form a megaspore. No, to form a megaspore, to form a embryo sac from a megaspore. One megaspore, okay, one functional megaspore divide, okay, by three mitosis to form a complete or mature embryo sac. That is important. Three mitotic division are required to form a complete. Three mitotic division are required to form a complete embryo sac. That is the point of question. See, the next statement from is this line, the next line, okay. The two more sequential mitotic division result in the formation of 4 nucleate and later 8 nucleate stage of the embryo sac, okay. It is interest to note that, okay, the mitotic division are free nuclear, strictly free nuclear. The mitotic divisions are free nuclear, means the for only the carrier, only the nucleus divide but not the cytoplasm, okay. So it is, first statement is also correct, second statement is also correct. 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by a cell wall and organized into the cell. Yes, 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall and organized into the cell. Okay, this is from this line. 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall and organized into the cell. 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by the cell wall and organized into the cell. The two polar nuclei that are present in the center are not surrounded by cell walls. Yes, so it is also correct. But the fourth statement, the two nuclei called polar nuclei are situated above the apparatus. So it is incorrect. It is not situated above the apparatus. We have considered the chalaza as a base. We have to consider chalaza as a base. Chalaza is known as the base of the ovule. So if we sit in the chalaza, that is the base of the ovule, and we see the apparatus which is toward the macropylar side, so we can see that we see the polar nuclei are situated below the egg apparatus and not above. They are situated below the egg apparatus. They are situated below the egg apparatus of the large central cell. They are situated just below. They are situated below the egg apparatus. They are situated below the egg apparatus. Okay, not above. So this is incorrect. So question is asking about the incorrect question. Okay, so incorrect statement. So this statement is incorrect. Fourth statement. Prostatic group differ from cofactor in that the former means first one means prostatic group are, okay, they are tightly bound organic part. These are tightly bound organic part. Okay, these are tightly bound organic part. First thing is that they are organic part, and second thing is that they are tightly bound to the apoenzyme. Apoenzyme means the protein part. Okay, apoenzyme means the protein part. Okay, the protein part is known as apoenzyme. The protein part is known as apoenzyme. The tightly bound to apoenzyme. They are organic part which are tightly bound to the apoenzyme. Okay. Example of prostatic group is heme group. Heme group is found in catalase and peroxidase. The heme group is a prostatic group. Okay. So next. Okay. Which of the following are edible fungi? Edible fungi. So let's talk about edible fungi. Which of the following is an edible fungi? So in member Ascomycetes we have morels and truffles, which are edible fungi, and they considered as delicious. Okay, they are very important edible fungi. First is morels and second is truffles, and one more is buffels. So okay, and in Basidiomycetes we have a fungi called agaricus, which is called as mushroom. We know about it. Agaricus, that is a common mushroom. Okay, so it is also edible. So we have morels and agaricus, which is the edible fungi. So more than one option is correct in this. First and third, or A and C. Study the following graph of the concept of activation energy given below. Select the correct option for the stage labeled A to D. Okay, A, from diagram we can easily conclude that A is potential energy. So A is potential energy. In nutrition we have A is potential energy. Okay, in C and D. So next, okay, next question means next B is transition state. So B is transition state. Okay, in both A, C and D, B is transition state. And C is activation energy without enzyme. C is the activation energy without enzyme. So we have, so in this question it is a bonus question, or it is correction. In this question there is a correction because we have same option. C and D are exactly the same option, so we can tick in anything and move on. Sickle cell anemia disorder arises due to duplication of segment of DNA, substitution of single base of DNA. Yes, substitution. Sickle cell anemia is a result of substitution because from this line mutation also arises due to change in the single base pair of DNA, which is known as point mutation. So sickle cell anemia is an example of substitution mutation. So sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation. So in sickle cell anemia, the glutamic acid in 6th position of beta globulin chain we have in normal hemoglobin, the beta chain in hemoglobin is a quaternary protein, so which have 2 beta and 2 alpha chain. So the 2 beta chain of 6th position of the beta chain contain glutamic acid, but due to substitution of this A with G, sorry, this T with this T with this T with CA, this T with A, the codon GAG converts into GUG. Codon GAG converts into GUG, or the codon GAG code for glutamic acid and GUG code for valine. So there is single base substitution, or there is a point of substitution or the point of mutation, it is also known as point mutation. So we have substitution of single base pair in DNA. Which the following is not true regarding artificial insemination? So artificial insemination, the ideal parent are carefully chosen before the female is impregnated. Bilkul correct. It is absolutely correct. The semen may be used immediately or can be frozen and used at later state. Bilkul correct. Absolutely correct. Means it can be frozen with liquid nitrogen. That the temperature of liquid nitrogen is also important, -196 degrees Celsius. So it is correct. The fertilized egg at 8 to 32 cell stage are recovered from original parent non-surgically and transferred to the surrogate mother. This statement is not related with artificial insemination. This statement is related with MOIT, that is multiple ovulation embryo transfer, technology, that is MOIT. It is not related with artificial insemination, so it is incorrect. According to not true, we have to find not true statement according for artificial insemination, so it is incorrect. Fourth statement is it help in overcoming several problem of normal mating. Yes, it help in overcoming several problem of normal mating. Bilkul correct. Absolutely correct. The tumor inducing capacity of dash. The tumor inducing capacity of what? The tumor inducing capacity of Agrobacterium tumefacis. Agrobacterium tumefacis. Agrobacterium tumefacis is located in the extra chromosomal plasmid called TI plasmid. Choose the option which correctly fill up the blanks. It is Agrobacterium tumefacis which have TI plasmid, that is known as tumor inducing plasmid which cause tumor. We have modified this Agrobacterium tumefacis. The main important thing is Agrobacterium tumefacis is pathogen for several dicot plant. Agrobacterium tumefacis is the pathogen for several dicot plant. It cause crown gall disease in apple. Robert May estimated the total number of species of the world at 7 million. Total number of species is 7 million. According to Robert Mayer. Select the incorrect statement. Growth at a cellular level is principally consequence of increase in the amount of protoplasm. Yes, growth at a cellular level is principally consequence of the consequence of increase in the amount of protoplasm. So it is correct statement. In maize, the growth in root apical meristem growth as increase in the size of the cell. In maize, the growth in root apical meristem is not in size of cell but in number of the cell. See, from here we can see, find it amazing to know that one single maize root apical meristem can give rise to more than 17,500 new cells. One cell of maize can give rise to 17,500 new cells. So in maize the growth is in term of number of cells and not in size of the cell. So it is incorrect. See, we have two datas. One data is for maize and one data is for watermelon, which are very important. Examiner favorite question arises while interchanging these options. Means maize give rise to 350,000 cells, but which is incorrect statement because we think these are same thing, but they are incorrect. Maize give rise to 17,500 cell and watermelon give rise to watermelon can increase in size. size increase in watermelon and not in maize. The growth of watermelon, okay, the whereas the cell of watermelon may increase in the size up to 3,50,000 times, 3,50,000. So that growth in term of size is seen in watermelon, and the growth in term of number is seen in maize. A single maize can give rise to 17,500 new cells, whereas a single watermelon can increase in the size of about 3,50,000 times. Okay, so this line can be converted into these points. Okay, one maize root apical meristem can give rise to 17,500 new cell per hour, and one cell of watermelon can increase in 3,50,000 times in size. The growth in the pollen tube is measured in term of length. Yes, it is correct. Growth in pollen tube. The growth in pollen tube. Okay, the growth in pollen tube. While in pollen tube measured in terms of, the growth in pollen tube is measured in terms of length. Okay, and the increase in the it is correct. So increase. The fourth statement is an increase in the surface area. An increase in the surface area denote the growth of dorsiventral leaf. Yes, an increase in the surface area. An increase in the surface area denote the growth of a dorsiventral leaf. So it is also correct. So we have B, which is incorrect, and our required answer. Okay, next. How many TCA cycles are required during the complete oxidation of one maltose molecule? See, okay, if we want to oxidize a single glucose molecule, into what? Into NADPH. So, okay, into NADH, not NADPH. So, into ATP, first we have to convert them into NADH, and then in ATS they are converted into ATP. So, first we have to convert them into NADH. So, in 2C, okay, means acetyl coenzyme, one glucose and I have to go through two Krebs cycle or two TC cycle for complete oxidation. And maltose is a disaccharide. So we have 12 molecule of carbon, means we can assume maltose is a disaccharide which is made of alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose, two monomers of alpha D glucose. So it gives two glucose, and we know one glucose required two cycles of Krebs cycle. So two glucose required 2 into 2, that is 4 cycle of Krebs cycle. So 4 is our answer. Required answer. 4 is our required answer. What happen if there is a failure of receiving the arterial impulse by the ventricle, or complete independent contraction of atria and the ventricle? See, it is question. Okay, it is a very basic question. Okay, ventricular escape. Yes, this condition arises when only atria contract and ventricle does not contract. Ventricular escape kar gaye. Ventricle escapes from ventricular systole, so it is known as ventricular escape. Okay, and it is Adams syndrome. It is also known as Adams syndrome. Okay, Stokes-Adams syndrome. It is a point of remembering. Okay, irregularities in the heart rhythm. It is also correct about this above statement. So we have. And we have already talked about atherosclerosis. Artero, and athero means there is hardening, and athero, athero means there is narrowing. Okay, so we have ABC, which is correct, and question is asking about the correct statement. So ABC, that is ventricular escape, Stokes-Adams syndrome, irregularities in heart rate is correct. Okay, next question. So let's talk about chart. Okay, see, the two human ancestors who belong to the species of Homo erectus are Java man and Peking man. Java man and Peking man belongs to Homo erectus. So Java man and Peking man. Which ion are released by IUDs so that they become toxic for the sperm? Yes, the copper ion that are present in the copper releasing IUDs like copper T, copper and multilode 375, and this copper ion reduce the sperm motility, This copper ion reduce the sperm motility. Okay. So copper ion, not another ion. Free central placentation is found in DP. Free central placentation, not desktop profile. DP means dianthem and primrose. Dianthus and primrose. Okay, dianthus and primrose. In dianthus and primrose, we see what? We see free central placentation. As in dianthus and primrose, okay, septa is absent, septa is absent. So this type of placentation is known as free central placentation, that is seen in dianthus and primrose. DP. So dianthus and primrose, so fluffy central placentation. Which pair of cell appear during the process of spermatogenesis? So during this process of spermatogenesis, we can see spermatogonia. These are spermatogonium. These are primary spermatocyte. This is secondary spermatocyte. These are spermatid. These are satulosols. So sperm lysins are seen during what? During fertilization. Oocyte, it is seen in oogenesis and not in spermatogenesis. Primary follicle is also seen in oogenesis and not in spermatogenesis. And spermatogonia and spermatozoa are seen in spermatogenesis. Okay, so this is the required answer. The change in the frequency of allele in a population by chance. Okay, allelic frequency, change in the allelic frequency by chance is known as, the change in the allelic frequency by chance is known as, okay, the labeling of this chart is very important because it is spermatid and it is a Sertoli cell. This is spermatid and this is Sertoli cell. In this is Sertoli cell and this is spermatid. This is Sertoli cell and this is spermatid. Okay, and first, and the important question arises from primary spermatocyte which are diploid in nature. Primary spermatocyte are diploid in nature. Primary spermatocyte are diploid in nature. Okay. The change in the allelic frequency by chance. The change in the allelic frequency by chance is known as genetic drift. The change in allelic frequency by chance is known as genetic drift. A person suffer from a disease which slowly developing chronic inflammation of organ is observed. This pathogen is known to live in the lymphatic vessel of the lower limb. They also form gross deformities and affect the genital organs. Okay, which of the following organism is the vector for this disease? This disease is asking about which area? No, this is asking about elephantiasis. This is stating, okay, this question or this, okay, this is the statements for elephantiasis or filariasis, where we have inflammation. Okay, inflammation of organ, mainly the inflammation of lower limb, and it is transmitted by female mosquito, and more accurately female mosquito. And which female mosquito? Culex mosquito. Culex is the vector for filariasis. And what is filarial worm? Filarial worm, which is also known as Wuchereria. Okay, these are filarial worm which are also known as Wuchereria. We have two subspecies of them which have which has two species, Wuchereria bancrofti and Wuchereria malai. Culex is the transmitting agent, or Culex is the vector that transmit this. And this diagram related to elephantiasis. Okay, the gross deformities in the lower limb. Okay, axillary bud in the given figure of bougainvillea get modified into, and this axillary bud, okay, in bougainvillea the stem modified into axillary bud. In bougainvillea or in axillary bud, no, the axillary bud modified into stem thorns. In bougainvillea and citrus. चल भाई उधर तो कांटे हैं, चल भाई उधर तो कांटे हैं. So चल भाई, in चल भाई means, okay, citrus and bougainvillea. Okay, citrus and bougainvillea. In citrus and bougainvillea we see what? We see thorns. Okay, which of the following set of phenomena lead to variation in DNA? Mutation and recombination lead to variation. Mutation and recombination lead to variation in DNA. Mutation and recombination lead to variation in DNA. First is recombination, that is the exchange of genetic material between two non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. And mutation, that is given by Hugo de Vries. Studied in what? Hugo de Vries studied mutation in every primrose, that is Ornithera nimarchiana, and he gave the concept of saltation. And what is saltation? Saltation is nothing but a single step large mutation. He says that the mechanism of evolution is mutation and not natural selection. Okay, pollination in Ophrys. Okay, pollination is Ophrys. Okay, The pollination in Ophrys, that is a Mediterranean orchid, occur by insect feeding on nectar for mutation. No. Pseudocopulation performed by the insect pollinator. Yes. Okay, we see an important mechanism of mutualism, that is pseudocopulation, which is seen in Ophrys orchid. So it is the required answer. What percentage of PAR can be captured by the plant? Okay, 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the plant. 2 to 10% of PAR. 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the plant. 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the plant. And what is PAR? PAR is the 1 to 5% of ISR. So 1 to 5% of ISR is captured by the plant, and 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the plant. Okay. Competition is rivalry between two or more organism for obtaining the same resource. It is a type of competition, nothing but a negative interaction, or it is an example of negative interaction. Select the incorrect match from the following. Phyllodes in which the petal modifies itself. Phyllodes in which the petal modify itself, and spines. Okay, leaf spines is seen in, it is seen in cactus and not in pea. It is not seen in pea, it is seen in cactus. Tendrils are seen in pea and not in cactus, so it is incorrect. And we have to find out the incorrect statement. Phyllodes is seen in acacia and Parkinsonia and acacia. And phyllodes is a modification of leaf, and a phylloclade is the modification of stem, but phyllodes is the modification of leaf, where leaf petiole modifies into swells and modify into photosynthetic. So it is correct. And storage leaf is found in Orion. Okay, it is also correct. And leaf picture is seen in Nepenthes, so it is also correct. So we have B, which is incorrect, because in P the leaves modified into tendrils, that are known as leaf tendrils. Find out the incorrect match. UUU, code for phenylalanine. UUU, code for phenylalanine. Yes, it is correct. UUU. Okay, the first two things that code for phenylalanine, the first amino acid, first codon that is discovered is UUU, that codes for phenylalanine, so it is correct. UAG is a stop codon. UAG is a stop codon. Okay, ochre, umbel and opal. UAG is a stop codon. So it is correct. No, it is incorrect, because UAG, the stop codon, does not code for any amino acid, so it is incorrect. So it is our required answer. Let's talk about GUG. And we are talking about GUG in sickle cell anemia, where GAG is replaced by GUG, and GAG code for glutamic acid and GUG code for valine. So it is correct. And UGG. Okay, tryptophan. UGG codes for tryptophan. UGG is a codon that code for tryptophan. Okay, and we have only single codon that code for tryptophan. So it is correct. It is incorrect. Cannabinoid receptors are principally present in the DAS and are known for affecting the DAS system. Cannabinoid receptors are present in the brain, and cannabinoid are present in the brain. Okay. Where it is this? Cannabinoid receptor are present in the brain. Cannabinoid receptor are present in the brain, and they are known to affect the system. Okay, which system? Cardiovascular system. They are known to affect the cardiovascular system. So in these days, cannabinoids are also abused by sports person to increase their athletic performance. Receptors present in brain, and it affect the cardiovascular activity. NHC, that is non-histone protein or non-histone non-histone chromosomal protein, that is NHC protein. Okay, these are required for packaging. These are required for packaging in higher level. Okay, required additional. Okay, in higher level, in the packaging of chromatin at higher level, required additional set of protein that collectively refers to as histone. No, non-histone protein. Choose the odd one out with respect to the functional aspect of ecosystem. See, जो दिखता हो, okay, we have a method of knowing which is structural and which is functional. जो दिखता हो और होता हो, it is nothing but is the functional aspect of ecosystem. And जो होता हो but नहीं दिखता हो, it is a structural aspect of जो होता हो और दिखता हो, it is structural aspect of ecosystem, and जो होता हो और ना दिखता हो, it is functional aspect of ecosystem. So energy flow occur, we know it occur, but we cannot see energy flow from where from our eyes. Okay, we know that the composition occur, but we cannot see the composition from our eyes. We know that species composition occur, but we can see, so it is not a functional aspect, it is a structural aspect. Nutrient cycling, we know nutrient cycling occur, but it cannot be seen through eyes, so it is in functional aspect of ecosystem. From NCERT's line, from it is given in NCERT summary that species composition or stratification जो होता है और दिखता है, स्पीसीज कंपोजिशन होता है और हमको दिखता है. स्पीसीज कंपोजिशन एंड स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन आर द टू मेन स्ट्रक्चरल फीचर ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम. सो इट इज नॉट फंक्शनल, इट इज स्ट्रक्चरल फीचर. How many type of gamete will be produced by a Drosophila having the following arrangement of 2 genes on X chromosome? So we have only 2 gamete because from here we can see, okay, this is the male organism or this is a female or male, it is a male. Each can produce only 2 type of gamete, this and this. It can produce only 2 type of gamete, this and this, because here there is no recombination or no parent, because Y have no gene, so no recombination occur, no recombination, so only 2 gene and not 4. So only 2 gamete and not 4. Select an incorrect match from the following. Indigofera, it belongs to Fabaceae. Yes, it belongs to family Fabaceae. Okay, it belongs to family Fabaceae. Indigofera belongs to Fabaceae. Indigofera. Okay, Indigofera. This is Indigofera, which is die. Indigofera, which is die, which belongs to Fabaceae, So it is correct, and we have to find the incorrect match. Helianthus, okay, Helianthus, that is sunflower. Sunflower is known as Helianthus and belong to family Asteraceae, also known as Compositae, so it is correct. Capsicum Malvaceae. It is correct? No, it is incorrect. Capsicum belongs to Solanaceae, not Malvaceae. Allium belongs to family Liliaceae. Allium means aloe vera, which belongs to family Liliaceae. Which used as medicine. Correct है, ये incorrect. Nearly dash million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which account to dash of the total number of conceived pregnancy in a year. That is from NCERT line. Okay, as data. Okay, copy paste question. 50-24. Okay, 45 to 50 million MTP. 45 to nearly 45 to 50 million MTP are performed in a year all over the world, which account for 1/5 of the total conceived pregnancy. Okay, so 45 to 50 million MTP are performed all over the world. 45 to million. Wow, very large number. And which conceived, okay, which account for 1/5 of the total conceived pregnancy. And Government of India has legalized MTP in 1971. Government of India has legalized MTP in 1971. The question is also like this, that it constitutes about 20% of the total conceived pregnancies. When a mature mRNA was hybridized to its gene, certain loops were absorbed. This loop represent introns, because during splicing the spliceosome take out the intron. The spliceosome take out the intron, and this intron are seen as loops. So these are intron which are non-functional part. These are intron which are non-functional part. Intron in DNA. Which of the following traits show transmission from carrier female to male progeny? Carrier female to male progeny is only X-linked recessive disorder, because in X-linked recessive carrier term is only used for recessive parents or recessive individuals. So we have it, the answer cannot be dominant. We can have recessive and recessive, X-linked or Y-linked. So okay, male is affected and from mother. So mother, male get a X chromosome from its mother. So it is X-linked recessive. An angiosperm plant is having 24 chromosome in the leaf cell, means 2n = 24. 2m = 24. Okay. The number of chromosomes present in synergid, pollen grain, nucellus, endosperm will be. In synergid is haploid, pollen grain is diploid, and nucellus is also diploid. Sorry, pollen grain is haploid, pollen grain is haploid, pollen grain is haploid, nucellus is diploid, and endosperm is triploid. Endosperm is triploid. So we have 12, 12, and 24 and 36. 12, 12, 24 and 36. 12, 12, 24 and 36. Loss or gain of segment of DNA result in chromosomal aberration. See, we have two things. Person can confuse between frame shift mutation and chromosomal aberration. See, if loss or gain of a base pair occur, then it is frame shift mutation, and if loss or gain of a segment of DNA occur, then it is chromosomal aberration. So this answer is chromosomal aberration. The answer to this question should be chromosomal aberration. Okay, from this line we can get the answer. Therefore the loss, that is deletion or gain, insertion or duplication of segment of DNA result in alternation of chromosome. Okay, result in alternation of chromosome. Since genes are known to be located on chromosomes, Which of the following is a neurosecretory part of brain? Which of the following is a neurosecretory part of the brain? Which of the following is a neurosecretory part of brain? Hypothalamus is the neurosecretory part of the brain. Hypothalamus is the neurosecretory part of the brain, which is found in the base of diencephalon. Hypothalamus is found in the base of diencephalon, and it is a neurosecretory cell. It contains neurosecretory cells. Okay, the uterus open into dash through narrow dash, and the cavity of dash is called as dash canal, which along with dash form a dash canal. Okay, these are dash dash dash, so we have to go with NCERT line. Okay, uterus open into a narrow cervix. Okay, so first A is cervix. So okay, we have to C or D answer. We have eliminated A and B, so C can be the answer and D can be the answer. Now uterus open into and vagina through a narrow cervix. Uterus open into vagina through a narrow cervix. The cavity of cervix. Okay, the cavity of cervix. So cavity of cervix called as cervical canal. The cavity of cervix called as cervical canal, which along with the vagina form the birth canal. Means birth canal include the cervical canal plus vagina. Cervical canal plus vagina include the birth canal. So this is our required answer. If 46 chromosomes are present at G1 phase, the number of chromosomes after S phase would be. See, in S phase the amount get replicated, amount get double, not the number. So we have 46 chromosomes at the end of the S phase also. Which of the following is not correct about chemical nature of hormone? Chemical can be polypeptide, chemical can be peptide hormone like insulin and glucagon. Okay, so it is correct. And steroid hormone like estrogen and progesterone, testosterone, and iodothyronine that like thyroxine, and steroid hormone and amino acid derivative like epinephrine and non-epinephrine, and it cannot be nucleic acid derivative. So it is incorrect. See, iodothyronine and steroidal hormone have intracellular receptor. This cannot form. They cannot form secondary messenger. Primitive bacteria living in salty area are called as known as halophils. The alpha and beta cell are found in the endocrine part of the pancreas. Alpha say glucagon, beta say insulin. Alpha cell secrete glucagon and beta cell insulin. Okay, beta cell secrete insulin. So it is A is correct. the rate of organic matter produced by producer in their bodies per unit area or per unit time is called as GPP, is called as GPP. That is gross primary productivity of an ecosystem is the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis. Yes, it is GPP. And the unit of productivity is kilocalorie per meter square per year. Which of the following accessory gland is not paired? Seminal vesicle is paired. Yes. Prostate gland, it is unpaired because prostate gland is single in number. See, we have two seminal vesicle here and here, and we have only one prostate gland, so it is unpaired. Bulbourethral gland occur in pairs here that help in lubrication of penis during coitus, so it is correct. Okay, so it is in pair. It is in pair. It is in pair. Okay, so it is correct, and prostate is in unpaired organ which is single in number. The process of response to peripheral nervous or the process of response to peripheral nerve stimulus that occur involuntarily is referred to as reflex action. The response to peripheral, okay, from this line we can easily answer this question. The entire process to response to a peripheral, the entire process to response to a peripheral nerve stimulus that occur involuntarily is called as without the conscious effort or thought or required the involuntary part of central nervous system. मतलब we have any involvement of central nervous system. Reflex action cannot be achieved without the involvement of central nervous system. It is called as reflex action. Select the correct match. Chlorophyll A. Yes, chlorophyll A gives blue-green color in chromatography. Okay, chromatograph. Chlorophyll A gives blue-green color in chromatograph. Chlorophyll A gives blue-green color in chromatograph. We can remember this like this, that we can remember it like that means bring blue in algae. Blue in algae have chlorophyll A. Blue in algae have chlorophyll A. No, they does not have chlorophyll. They does not have chlorophyll. The green algae. This green algae have chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. So chlorophyll A is green in color or blue green in color. So is matched with 2. So we have A2. So we eliminate C and D. Carotenoid are yellow in color. Carotenoid means xanthophyll and carotene. Carotenoid include, okay, carotenoid yellow orange. Yellow to yellow orange. So yellow to yellow orange means B is matched with 3. B is matched with 3. We have both option with B3. And chlorophyll B is yellow green. Chlorophyll B is yellow green means it has some cutter of chlorophyll A, that is yellow green, means B is matched with 4. C is matched with 4. So we have this as an answer. D, pheophytin, that is the primary CO2 acceptor. Primary electron acceptor is pheophytin. In the case of photosystem 1. In photosystem 1, primary CO2 acceptor is pheophytin, and in photosystem first, the primary CO2 acceptor is ferredoxin. Ferredoxin या फिर FRS complex, iron sulfur cluster protein FRS. Functional unit of muscle is sarcomere. The functional unit of muscle is sarcomere. Okay. Functional unit of contraction is sarcomere, and the anatomical unit of muscle. Okay, the anatomical unit of muscle. Muscle are the anatomical unit of muscle. Okay, muscle fiber are the anatomical unit of muscle. If the question asks which is the anatomical unit, then we have to go with muscle fiber. Next, churning movement is the characteristic of stomach. Stomach by churning movement. See, stomach shows churning movement. Churning movement is shown by stomach. An acidic food is known as chyme or chyle. Identify A, B, C, and D a part in this diagram of bacteriophage. A is head. Okay, A is the head and B is the collar and C is the sheath. Okay, A is head, B is collar, C is sheath, and D is tail plates. or till fiber. These are till plates and this is till fiber. This is known as till plate. This is till plate and this is till fiber. This till fiber, this till fiber, this till fiber. And his head B scholar. So this is our required answer. Mark the correct option with respect to hydroponics. Okay, hydroponics means soilless tissue culture or soilless culture. Technique of growing plant in nutrient solution is known as hydroponics. Technique of growing plant in nutrient solution is known as hydroponics. Okay, it can avoid the problem of soil-borne pathogen because there is no soil, so they cannot get a disease from soil pathogen. So it is correct. In 1860, Julius von Sachs, prominent German botanist, demonstrated it for the first time. Yes. In 1980, Julius von Sachs. Julius von Sachs in 1980s. In 1980s, Julius von Sachs, a prominent German. He was a German botanist. He was a German botanist and not Italian botanist. Okay. So second statement is also correct. It helped in determining a mineral solution suitable for plant growth was obtained. Okay, it helped in determining the mineral nutrient essential for the plant. It helped in determining the mineral nutrient essential for the plant. So it is also correct. All of this is correct. The most abundant enzyme in the biosphere is Rubisco. The most abundant enzyme in the biosphere is Rubisco. The most abundant, not abundant. The most abundant enzyme on biosphere is Rubisco. Rubisco is the most abundant protein on earth, the most abundant enzyme on earth. But the most abundant enzyme in animal kingdom is the most abundant enzyme on animal kingdom is collagen. A specialized central cell. A specialized center called respiratory rhythm center is primarily responsible for regulation of respiration. Is located in medulla oblongata. Yes, medulla oblongata have respiratory rhythm center. They have respiratory rhythm center. Okay, respiratory rhythm center. Where? Here. Respiratory rhythm center is present in the medulla region. Okay, respiratory rhythm center present in medulla region, which reduce the duration of inspiration. Medulla oblongata. In which of the following group of organisms nitrogenous waste are excreted in such a way to minimize the excessive loss of water? Means they secrete uric acid to minimize the water loss, and uric acid means they are uricotelic, and uricotelic organisms are seen in reptilia, birds, land snail and insect. These are uricotelic, means they secrete uric acid. So birds, snail, reptile, insect, bird, these all are uricotelic, which minimize the water loss. Select the incorrect statement about in vitro germination of pollen. In vitro germination of pollen. It can be easily studied by dusting some pollen from the flowers such as balsam on the glass slide. Yes. It can study we can study the pollen germination by dusting small pollen from flowers such as pea, chicken pea. These examples are very important. Pea, chicken pea, crotalaria, balsam and vinca. Pea, chicken pea, crotalaria, balsam and vinca. So this first statement is correct. Germination generally required about 45 to 60 minutes. It is incorrect because germination required about 15 to 30 minutes. Germination required about 50 to 30 minutes. Germination required about 50 to 30 minutes. Germination required about 50 to 30 minutes. And 10% sugar solution is required for germination. Yes, 10% sugar solution is required for germination, so it is correct. And we have to find the incorrect statement, and incorrect B statement is incorrect. The cranial capacity of man who had first begun the burial ceremony. So burial ceremony is started by Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. The brain size is about 1600 cc, which have started to bury their. That means that burial ceremony is started by Neanderthal man, and which has the cranial capacity of about 1400 cc, and they lived in East Africa. They lived in East Africa and Central Asia from the time between 1 lakh year ago to 40,000 year ago. That is also important about Neanderthal man. So the question of very important question arises from Neanderthal man. The sheath enclosing plumule and radicle respectively in monocot seed is. So the covering of radicle is chlorhiza and the covering of radicle is chlorhiza and the covering of plumule is coleoptile. The covering of plumule is coleoptile and the covering of radicle is chlorhiza. So we have to find the covering of plumule first, so which is coleoptile, and then the radicle which is chlorhiza. So this is our required answer. Which of the following is correct for the circulatory system of cockroach? It is present on the dorsal side and it is 13 unit of heart in the abdominal region. It is present on the dorsal side. Okay. Circulatory system of cockroach. Circulatory system cockroach is present in dorsal side, but it is not 13 unit, which is only present in abdominal region. Okay, we have 10 which is present in dorsal side. I accepted that they are present in dorsal side, but it has 10 segment which is in abdominal region and 3 segment of the heart which is present in the thoracic region. So it has 13 chamber heart in which the 10 segment are located in the abdomen, whereas the 3 segment are located in thorax. So it has a heart which is dorsally lined and which is present in both the thorax as well as abdomen. Thorax contains 3 segments and abdomen contains 10 segments. So this is our correct answer. Bicuspid wall are present at the junction of left atrium and left ventricle, means left atrioventricular septum or junction. Bicuspid or mitral wall which guards the opening between left atrium and left ventricle, this opening is guarded by bicuspid or mitral wall which is between the left atrium and left ventricle. An important thing is that we have this septa which is thick and fibrous, and this septa is thin, and this septa is thick and fibrous, and this septa is thick and muscular, this septa is thin and muscular, this septa is thick and muscular, and this septa is thick and fibrous. So anterolateral septum is thin and muscular, interventricular septum is thick and muscular, atrioventricular septum are thick and fibrous. The exotic species of Eichhornia was introduced by, they are introduced by European in India because of their lovely flower and because of the absence of natural predator they cause havoc. Which of the following organism is incorrectly paired with the lifespan? See, this is Eichhornia that have offset. Eichhornia water hyacinth, also known as water hyacinth. Which of the following organism is incorrectly paired with the lifespan? Tortoise has a lifespan of 100 to 150 years. Yes, correct. Crocodile have a lifespan of 60 years. It is correct. Butterfly have a lifespan of 4 weeks. It is incorrect because butterfly has approximately lifespan of about 2 to 3 weeks. So it is incorrect. And crow has a lifespan of 15 years. It is correct. So this is incorrect, and we have to find out the incorrect pair. Arrange the following structure according to their decreasing number. So the largest number is of Ommatidium, which are 2000 in number. 3000 hexagonal Ommatidia. So Ommatidia is largest in number. So the first thing is Ommatidia, and then Malpighian tubule. Malpighian tubule is about 150 to 100. Malpighian tubule, the number of Malpighian tubule is 100 to 150, and the number of hepatic cica or gastric cica is 6 to 8. So it is least in number. Match the following: ethepone, ethylene, which help in fruit ripening. Say ethylene is also known as ethepone. So A is matched with 2, and genetic dwarfism is overcome by gibberellin, which can elongate the small plant into dominant plant. कैरेक्टर रखने से, जीन की रखने से कैरेक्टर नहीं आता, जीन की एक्सप्रेशन से कैरेक्टर आता है. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन बोथ एज वेल एज द जेनेटिक कंस्टिट्यूएंट एंड द इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर. द फिनोटाइप डिपेंड ऑन बोथ द जेनेटिक कंस्टिट्यूएंट एंड द फिनोटाइपिक कैरेक्टर. So geatin is obtained from corn kernel and coconut milk. And corn kernel. We obtain geatin from coconut milk and corn kernel, which is nothing but cytokinin. C matched with 4, and IA, that is natural oxygen, that is indole acetic acid. D is matched with 3. D is matched with 3, so this is our required answer. File-like respiring organ for feeding is observed in radula. File-like respiring organ for feeding. File-like respiring organ for feeding is seen in mollusca, and file-like respiring organ for feeding is called as radula. It is seen in the phylum or division mollusca. Mollusca phylum mollusca. Not division. Which of the following structure play a significant role in maintaining osmolarity in mammal? The vasa recta and loop of Fenway play a significant role in maintaining the maintaining the osmolarity. Vasa recta and Henle loop. Which of the following is not a function of membranous extension like vesicles and tubule? So it is talking about it's talking about mesosomes which form vesicles, tubules and lamellae, and these microsomes or mesosomes help in cell wall formation, RNA replication, DNA of distribution of daughter cell, and respiration and secretion and increase in the surface area and plasma membrane, and they have enzymatic content. Cell wall formation is correct, yes. Increase in the surface area of the plasma membrane is also correct. Help in protein synthesis, no, this does not help in protein synthesis. They help in respiration, yes, they help in respiration, and C is incorrect. Mesosome. Cell wall formation, because they help in cell wall formation, yes. They help in DNA replication, yes. They help in replication, respiration, yes. They help in secretion, yes. They help in distribution, yes. They help in increasing surface area, yes. All are correct. Statin is a competitive inhibitor of cholesterol. Statin is a synthesis. Since statin is the inhibitor of cholesterol synthesis, which is blood cholesterol lowering agent. Statin is a blood cholesterol lowering agent which lower the cholesterol level by competitive inhibiting the enzyme which synthesizes cholesterol. The global diversity of plant, in the global diversity of plant, the angiosperm represent the maximum number of species, yes. It is correct. Algae represent the minimum number of species, no. Fungi represent the minimum number of species, no. Mosses represent the maximum number of species, no. From the NCERT diagram, some says that fungi has maximum number of species, but we are talking about plant. So in plant kingdom, and fungi is included in the fungi kingdom. So in plant kingdom, maximum species diversity or maximum global diversity is found in plants or found in angiosperm. Labeling is also important. All means algae and lichen here. The vector used for the first successful recombinant DNA was isolate from Salmonella typhi or Salmonella typhimurium. So it causes typhoid and typhoid. We use Vidal test for typhoid. So bacteria that cause can be detected by Vidal test, yes. Select the correct set. Plant Vanda, organ climbing root, function moisture absorption, no. Encourage. Vanda is a epiphyte. Incorrect. Plant jasmine, offset, no. Jasmine has stolen and not offset. Plant pineapple, organ sucker, function propagation, it is correct. Sucker is found in chrysanthemum, banana, pineapple. Sucker is found in chrysanthemum, banana and 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 pineapple, in which the lateral branch originate from the basal underground portion of the main stem, grow horizontally beneath the soil and come obliquely. If a word we see obliquely, then it is sucker, and sucker is seen in PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Physics, chemistry, maths, biology means pineapple, chrysanthemum, mint and banana, where a sucker can be seen. Plant Nepenthes organ, leaf tip, function photosynthesis, no. They become insectivorous plant. Nepenthes is insectivorous plant. the step involved in genetically modifying an organism is, the step that are involved in modification or genetically modification of an organism is, first is identification of desired DNA with desirable gene, and the second is the introduction of desired DNA into the host, which is known as transfer, and the fourth is maintenance. The first is identification, second is transfer, and third is maintenance. Okay, so identification is the method, maintenance is the method, and transfer is the method for formation of or for genetically modifying an organism. Tracheids are a type of water connecting cell in xylem which lack perforation in the cell wall and found in all except, okay, they are not found in biophytes. Biophyte are avascular plant, and first time the vascular system or vascular tissue is seen in pteridophyte and not in bryophyte. The step that proved to be main challenging obstacle in production of human insulin by genetic engineering is, okay, this is from the direct line of NCERT. Okay, okay, the step that was getting insulin assembled into the mature step. Okay, this step is very challenging for the production of insulin using recombinant DNA technology. Okay, insulin getting assembled into mature insulin is very challenging in genetic engineering. So this diagram, first proinsulin has A, B, C, three peptide, but in mature insulin we does not have C peptide, and A peptide and B peptide are linked by disulfide bond. A peptide and B peptide are linked by disulfide bond. Genetically modified plants have been useful in increasing crop yield, yes. Nutritional value of food, yes. Tolerance against abiotic stress, yes. All of this. Genetically modified plant, okay, they help in post harvest loss, they help in reducing the post harvest loss, they increase the efficiency of mineral usage, they help in made crop which are tolerant to antibiotic resistance, and they help in maintenance of pesticide resistant plants. So all of the following is correct. Joint which are fused end to end, which help in dense fibrous connective tissue, are referred as fibrous joint. Fibrous joint are the joint that are present in skull, okay, which example is sutures. Diffusion rate are affected by pressure as well as temperature as well as the concentration gradient, so all of them affect the rate of diffusion. Fungi form fruiting body in which reduction division. Fungi form fruiting bodies, okay, in which reduction division occur, leading to formation of haploid spore. So reduction division and formation of haploid spore. The correct sequence of cell organelle during photorespiration is चम्मच पे मिठाई. These are the sequence of peroxisome, chloroplast, peroxisome, and then mitochondria. चम्मच पे मिठाई. Okay, चम्मच पे मिठाई, chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. So we have the ratio between two carbon NH2 containing group and one carbon, the ratio between two carbon ratio between two carbon amino at NH2 containing group, and ratio between three carbon NH2 containing group is 2:1. Two glycine molecule and one serine molecule is formed which have NH2 group. चम्मच पे मिठाई, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, peroxisome, and okay, not dictosome, chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Anthracite in the given figure represent Chlamydomonas. In Chlamydomonas we see juice spore. In Chlamydomonas we see juice spore. And these are motile male spore which is found in Chlamydomonas. Bidirectional translocation of food. Okay, bidirectional translocation of solute take place in phloem. In phloem, the bidirectional transport of food, that is in upward direction and downward direction, is seen. Heterospore is found in Mars, that is Marsilea, Azolla, Selaginella, and Salvinia. Mars represent heterospore, that is Marsilea, Azolla, and Selaginella, and Salvinia. Salvinia and not Salvia. Salvinia, Vinia. So all of them, see, Xylotum is also an example of heterospore. The chemiosmotic coupling hypothesis of oxidative phosphorylation poses that adenosine triphosphate is formed. It is formed when the proton gradient is break down. The chemiosmosis required the membrane, a proton pump, and a proton gradient and ATPase. So the proton gradient, the lead breakdown of this proton gradient lead to the synthesis of ATP. The proton gradient from across the inner membrane. So in this question, it is correction. There is a correction in this question. We have A and D, which is correct. Here also we have a correction. Answer will be species composition and not decomposition. Species composition is a functional aspect. No, it is a structural aspect. ओके जल्दी जल्दी में गलती हो गई.